Begin to make your way flat on the mat and bend the knees into the body. You're going to spread the knees out wide, coming into a reverse bound angle. Bring your right hand to the belly and your left hand by your heart. Begin to engage your Ujjayi breath, creating a slight constriction in the back of the throat here. And feel your belly move up and down. Maybe close the eyes. And we're breathing deep, sending our breath to any tight space we might hold in the hips. Creating a deep relaxation, melting into the mat. And being present with ourselves tonight. Take a few more breaths here. Slowly bring your hands by your body. Bring the knees up and towards the chest. And start creating small circles clockwise and then counterclockwise with the knees, massaging the lower back here, going nice and slow, feeling every movement. Find some stillness. Inhale your forehead to your knees into a little crunch. Exhale, bring yourself gently down to the mat. Inhale, forehead to knees. Exhale, coming down. Last time. Inhale, forehead to knees. Give yourself a tight little hug here. Exhale, make your way down. From here, extend the left leg out. Right knee is in towards the chest. Externally rotate that hip so it faces the right side of the mat. Hold here. And then begin to slowly make some circles with the hip here. Massaging the hips and the lower back. Releasing any soreness we might hold, any tightness. Releasing any emotion we've been holding on to. Tuck the right knee back into the chest. We're going to go ahead and cross it over towards the left side of the mat, extending that right arm next to the shoulder. And you have the option of looking up towards the ceiling or looking towards the right side. Releasing any tension we hold in the neck. Again, you can keep your eyes closed here or keep them open, sending the breath to that lower back, feeling the breath in the belly, the rise and fall of the belly, feeling our heartbeat here, feeling how alive we are. Bring your right leg back to center. Squeeze it in towards the chest and then switch the legs out, extending that right leg out. Left knee is into the body this time. Externally rotate the hip. Again, stay here, finding stillness. Begin to create slow, small circles with the knees. Find center and cross that left knee over to the right side of the mat, extending through the left arm and shifting the gaze to the left side if that feels good. toxins we have from the body with the supine twist, giving our bodies what it deserves. It does so much for us. It's time to give back to it. Thank you, body. Thank you for all that you do. Slowly make your way back to center. We're going to tuck that right knee back into the chest and create small circles once again. Place your feet gently on the mat. We're coming into a figure four with the feet here. So flex that right foot and we're crossing it over that left knee. Stay here if this feels like a deep enough stretch for you. If not, we're going to bring the knees to fall towards the right side of the mat here. And you can shift your gaze towards the left. And this is going to be a deeper twist than the one we first did. Listen to your body. Does this feel good? Is it uncomfortable? What do you need tonight from me? Make your way back to center and switch the legs out. Coming into a figure four on the left side. Left knee is over that right knee. And we're dropping it towards the left side of the mat. Feeling the stretch in the lower back, through the shoulders. Maybe we're feeling it in the hamstrings right now. Being ever so present in our bodies and heart. Release the feet here. Bring your hands into the body and slowly make your way up to a seated position. The knees are staying bent and we're going to bring the hands maybe about a foot behind us, fingertips facing forward. On your inhale, shift the hips up. We're gazing forward, coming into reverse tabletop. Exhale, make your way down. We're coming into that one more time. Inhale, hips come up. Drop the head back if it feels good. We're trying to create a linear line here with the knees and chin. Exhale, hips come down. We're going to cross at the feet and come into a tabletop. Coming in for cat-cow stretch. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, tuck the belly in. Gaze towards the belly button. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, curve at the spine. We're going to do about 3 more of these, going at your own pace. Can you hear your breath? Can you feel the stretch in the lower back? In the hamstrings? Do we feel more flexible than we did when we first started? Last one. Make your way to a neutral spine. And we're coming down onto the forearms. Extend your legs back behind you. Coming into Sphinx pose. Check in with the alignment of the arms. Make sure your elbows are underneath your shoulders. You might have to shift forward or back just a little bit. We're peeling the heart open, feeling the breath in the belly, feeling the rise and fall, releasing tension from the lower back. This is great for any lower back pain, if we have sciatica pain. Send the breath towards that space. And gently walk the hands back just a little bit. Roll the shoulders back, coming into the full expression of cobra or baby cobra with the elbows bent, making sure the pelvis is down on the mat. Breathe. Make your way down to the mat. From here, we're going to extend the arms out wide into a T. Coming onto the left temple. Bend your right knee up. And we're going to bring that right foot over towards the left side of the mat. So we're creating kind of a reverse twist here from the one we did in the beginning. And this is my favorite lower back stretch. It feels so yummy. You might hear a few cracks, releasing any space in between the joints. And gently make your way back to laying flat. Coming onto the opposite side, bring the right temple onto the mat. Bend the left knee, and we're bringing the foot over towards that right side of the mat. And if this stretch is too deep for you, you can bring your foot a little lower. It doesn't have to be as high as mine right now. Remember, always listen to your body. Every pose is going to look different in your body, in the body of the person next to yours, and in my body. And slowly make your way back to laying down. Bend your elbows, lifting yourself up onto the knees. And make your way into a child's pose, Balasana. Forehead is gently resting on your mat here. You can bring the arms out in front of you, reaching forward, reaching the fingertips as far as we can. Opening up the shoulders. Gently walk your hands in back towards the body. We're coming into a seated pose, legs extended out in front of us. Flex the feet here and bring the hands next to the hips, coming into Tadasana. Look forward, sitting tall. Flip the hands so the palms are facing up and fold forward. We're coming into a lazy forward fold here, so don't push yourself too much. Not about how flexible we feel right now. Just release any tension you may hold, creating peace within the body and mind for a restful sleep. Roll your body up. Coming to a seated twist, bend the right knee. Cross it over the left leg. Left arm comes up and we're hooking the right side of that knee. Look back. Creating a slight twist here, sitting tall. Picking a point behind us to focus on, or keeping our eyes closed. Make your way back to the front, switching sides. Bend the left knee, cross it over the right leg. Inhale, right arm up, hook it on the outside of that knee, and twist. Remember, you can always stay longer in each of these poses. Always go at your own pace. Make your way back to center. We're going to slowly make our way to laying flat on the mat. And you have the option of going straight into Shavasana or coming into Happy Baby. Hooking the toes with the peace fingers. Feet are facing the ceiling. Close the eyes and rock the body side to side, massaging the back, massaging the butt. And when you're ready, release the legs down, bringing them a little wider than the mat. Palms are facing up. Release your tongue from the roof of the mouth. Let go of any tension you're holding in the eyebrows. Come back to your natural breath. Feel your fingertips and your hands melting down into the ground. Feeling the hips melt down to the ground. Release the tension from the knees and let the feet fall wide down onto the mat. Thank yourself for taking this time tonight to give love to your body, to your mind that works so hard every day to keep you alive. Thank you so much for being here and for letting me guide you. And you can choose to stay in Shavasana for some time, or make your way onto your bed for a peaceful night of rest. The light within me sees, honors, and respects that same bright, shining light within you. Namaste, Yogi.